Just want to try one, if it's sweet or not.
As far as you can see, it's just Mandarin. Picking up women won't be that easy. Prog them, gotta eat them. Hello everyone. So today we have come to pick some mandarins from the farm. Some fresh mandarins. So let me show you the farm. This is the farm.
Just want to try one, if it's sweet or not.
Some Asian habits never go.
You can eat it. I'm going to give you one as well.
They are really tasty.
Wow, look at this.
So which ones do you want to pick up? Let's go for this one. How about this?
Okay.
They're not like
What?
really soft. They should just break in my hand, right?
No, this is Mandarin. Don't expect them to break. Yeah, first one.
Okay.
Which one?
This one. See?
You should have bring a serious. Alright. Yo, pick another.
Why? I'll break
I want
it.
to try if it's sweet from this tree or not.
Okay, try first.
It's all mandarins.
So as far as you can see, it's just Mandarin.
Let's keep walking.
Okay.
Wow.
These ones just have some really small ones.
Yeah.
We go to some bigger ones.
Up to you.
Which one will be sweeter?
I don't know. We're picking mandarins. What's it to do with women? What are you thinking in your mind?
Picking up women won't be that easy. That requires some skills.
Oh wow, this one is really fruity.
Yeah. Shall we pick some from there?
Yeah.
There are already some fallen ones here.
Don't pick the fallen ones. You don't know when they fall.
Okay. Then no, bigger ones. Uh-oh. Prog them, gotta eat them. Okay. What do you think?
I think they're too loud.
Yeah. Your people.
Say that again.
I'm just saying, your people
Yeah, what happened to them?
are really loud.
So,
So what?
your people can be loud too. Your people can be louder.
We're having competition over that as well.
No, but you seem like you pick a sour one.
Try it. Is it sour?
It's okay.
It's good. Come. After collecting these, we bring them to the farm owners over here, and then we pay them and go back.